Once upon a time, because me and Martin are telling. Once upon a time, Daddy was sitting on the couch in the living room watching football. His mom comes over and says, "I want you to please take out the garbage." And he says, "Can't you see I'm busy?" And she says, "I want you to take out the trash." And he says, "Can't you see what I'm doing?" And then she leaves us, and then she comes back, and then he says, and then Grandma Susan whacks on with a broom, and then Daddy says sorry, and he takes out the garbage.
Bill, can you take out this garbage?